12 in the morning, pop shells for a living and berry gon' smell blood trail every minute. Rogue wave and you niggas no fair. When I hit 'em, every time I see it big, I don't hesitate to kill 'em. Ain't nobody give a fuck about a rule. Either get diplomas of a tool. I'm a cool with my youngest no bull.
Yo, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my C100 Pro frame. I got this recently, but the only problem I ain't been able to put it on. And I still went for probably about another week because I need to wait for a few more red parts that I've ordered to turn up. When they do turn up, then I'll do a montage of me putting the bike together and everything. It's going to be in the same video, but for now I'm just going to be showing you me unboxing it, showing you what the frame looks like. And yeah, since I last recorded my last video, which I can't lie, it didn't do that great because I should have recorded it a bit better. I've got a C100 Aqua V2, but obviously it's going to be a Pro. It's got rock shocks, it's got rental bars, a Dior SE grips and other custom parts. But I've got a red Holotech bottom bracket coming, a red headset, and I ordered another part which I forgot. But yeah, let's get straight into it. The frame is going to look so good on this bike, but yeah, so I'll probably record again when the parts turn up, and I'll do a montage of me putting all the parts on, like the bottom bracket, the headset and all the other parts. But yeah, so I'll see you then.
1 week later.
Yo, it's been about a week since I last recorded, and that was when I was waiting for my parts to turn up for a C100 Pro frame. But they turned up about a few days after I recorded that, but then I ended up getting a puncture and my tyre ripped. So I've got some new Maxxis Grifter tyres on at the moment. But yeah, so I'm on the way down to my mate's house now to get the all the parts fitted. But I'll pick up the camera when I'm like at his house, and then yeah, so I'll do a little montage of me on the way. So I've just turned up at my mate's house. I'm not going to give away the location obviously, but yeah, I filmed a few clips for the montage. Obviously, as you've already seen, it's quite short, but I wasn't expecting it to be a long one anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna pick up the camera when like I start filming again, which will be me strapping the bike and putting a new frame on. So it took me and Will about, how long did it take? Hour and a half. But it's fully done. Well, I'm just about to put some grip tape on it, and then I'll try and get a few clips later in the car park.
Look, I know lately they hating on me. Got my family depending on me. In this pocket watching niggas dropping as I can't go jail, I got places to be. Remember the days we was waiting to feast, and there weren't many places to eat. Remember losses I took on repeat, and still ain't throw shade on my name, my nigga. I done see plenty shit, never talk about it. Body jocking, new shit up and talk around them. Only one time when I walk without it, got some scuba without it, can't talk about it. People feelings change when you change up. Been through situations, people ain't the same return.
Yo, I'm just on the way to town now with Will, and I'm going to meet Reese. I think I'll end up getting a duo edit with him, but I filmed a little montage again of me on the way to town because the sunset's looking kind of sick. But yeah, Will, show us some work.
We ain't told, but I lost my niggas. Free the whole game, missing all my niggas. With the game, same pain, need to love my nigga. Drill after drill, healing all my niggas. Send out the symphony,
I woke up
all
with
my
some
niggas.
bad rage. Roll call, say sense in a bad day. Say they love me, that's mad fake. Send shots.
Niggas know how we coming, man. It's PNV, man. Listen, nigga. Run to the guap. I'm headed straight to the top. Nigga, you broke your flop. It's PNV, I will not stop. Young nigga need me a meal. Caught me a crib in the hills. Losing brothers in the field. I don't think you know how it feels. Run to the guap. I'm headed straight to the top. Nigga, you broke your flop. It's PNV, I will not stop. Young nigga need me a meal. Caught me a crib in the hills. Losing brothers in the field. I don't think you know how it feels. Run to the money, no chase. I'm in LA.